Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID in iPad. So, at first open Settings app into your iPad. Next tap on Profile icon. From here click on Don't have Apple ID. Next select Create Apple ID. After they type your name and date of birth. Then hit Next. Now, enter your email address. Next create Apple ID password. Create a password and verify it. After that tap on Next. Select your country and put down your mobile number here. Next confirm verification code through email or your mobile number. Here tap on Agree. And now you are done, you have successfully created an Apple ID on your iPad. Thanks for watching.